Are you tired of device limitations and software issues? Meet your ultimate tech solution provider. We offer FRP bypass for Android and iOS devices. Regain control of your device with our fast and secure FRP bypass service. Comprehensive system installations, from all versions of Windows to Kali Linux and macOS installations. We've got you covered. Console optimization and jailbreaking. Unlock the full potential of your PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo consoles for an unparalleled gaming experience. Innovative auxiliary services. We provide cutting-edge solutions tailored to your tech needs. Expert troubleshooting. Get expert advice and solutions for any issues on Android, iOS, and HarmonyOS 2.0 devices. Proficiency in Microsoft Office. Master your presentations, documents, and spreadsheets with our high-level expertise. Advanced VR capabilities. With the Lenovo Explorer headset, dive into new realms of VR work and play. Got questions? We've got answers. Our Q&A section ensures you understand every aspect of our services. Ready to elevate your tech game? Contact us now at link to WhatsApp chat https://w/me/359877358 316 for more details.